This difference you keep between the shading. In the shading, first simple shading like U shape all shading do, and then left part is dark. This way you will do little rubbing also. This way you will make it, and little extra shading with lining method you can make upside also. And if you think it is full black, then shading is not left, whiteness is not left, then you can erase, and this way you can highlight the shining part this way. This way you will complete all, but keep in mind shading will be light always, all time, and which patches are there, that will be more dark. By chance you made the patches light and shading also, then make the patches dark like this. Don't make patches and shading same way, because there is difference. I am making a little faster now. Left side I am keeping dark shading because we are separating it. We are keeping the difference this way. I hope you understood. Now just rubbing is there. If you rub, then highlight it, and extra if erased, then make again this way. Main thing is this. So this is the whole method, complete this way. You can use your pencil this way also. This way use a pencil, this way with two fingers. Hold your pencil, meant to say finger and thumb, hold your pencil and then do shading. That is also easy shading you can do with. Separation of the wrinkle part, like folding of the body of caterpillar is compulsory. So make this carefully. By chance you think it is all looking same, afterwards when you finish the picture, then at last you can do the outline again, like I have already told you in some other drawings in last session, last term. So this way you can do all same. Lightly, first light shading step, and then mixing with finger this way. This is the easy method.